Now our next point is reproduce. We will write here reproduce. Reproduce. Living things reproduce, non-living things cannot reproduce. So here also our same point will be shifted here. Reproduce. Reproduce here also, reproduce here also. If you learn chapter 1 very well, then it will be easy for you in second chapter. Look here, first was move, here also move. Here we had written food and we will slightly change here eat. Breath, here also breath. Here feel, and we feel with the sense organs. So we will change the name of this. Feel organs, sense organs. Now here reproduce, here also reproduce. We had 6 points here and we have only 5 points here. Only this slightly change here. So reproduce. Now we will start our reproduce with the relate in animals and plants. Here reproduce. All the animals are reproducing their own kind of animals. Now reproduce. Animals reproduce their own kind. We human being also reproduce our own kind. So snake and birds are laying eggs, and after some time babies hatch from the eggs and they are growing slowly. Here reproduce, all the animals are giving birth directly to their young ones. Which are they? Which animals are giving directly birth to the young ones? Lion, tiger, deer, bear, cow, cat, dog, all the animals except snakes and birds. They are laying eggs only, and other animals are giving directly birth to their young ones. Now come to our next plant. Plant also producing their own kind with the help of seeds, stems. Some are growing from the stem also, some are growing from the root also, and some are growing from the leaves also. So plants is also producing. Revise it again, all the points. Okay. Move, here also move. Living things move, non-living things cannot move. Animals move here and there, one place to another place. All the birds are flying here and there. Water animals are swimming in the water. Plants cannot move. It fixed in the ground, but they can grow. They are showing their movement. Now here food. We will write here eat. Food, eat. Now animals eat. Some animals eat grass and some animals eat fleshy. Some animals eat grass, some animals eat flesh. Next, plants. Plants are eating something? Yes, plants are preparing their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Now here, one more thing, eating habit. Why animals and birds are flying here and there, animals are moving here and there? Because they want to eat food. In search of food they are moving here and there. In search of food they are moving here and there. Now next third point is breathe. Living thing breathe, we already learned. So animal is also living thing and plants also living thing. So our next point also same here, breathe. Here also breathe. But animals breathe through lungs, gills and air holes. Now plants breathe through their tiny pores on the leaves. There are some tiny pores on the leaves which help to plants breathe. Which air we breathe in and which air we breathe out? Did you remember? Yes, CO2 and O2. But which air we are getting? Human being and animals are breathe in oxygen and breathe out the carbon dioxide. And plants doing just opposite of us and animals. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide breathe in by the plants and give out oxygen. That's why we are saying that plants more tree, it will be helpful for us to breathe properly. Fourth number, feel. All the living things can feel. Non-living things cannot feel. So here slightly change. Feel, we have to write here sense organ. We are feeling because we have sense organs. So animals sense organs. We human being have 5 sense organs and animals also have 5 sense organs. Plants do not feel. Plants do not have sense organs. So next, fifth, reproduce. Living things reproduce, non-living things cannot reproduce. Animals reproduce their own kind, because we already learned that living things reproduce. So animals is also living thing and plants also living thing. So both are reproducing. Both are reproduce. Birds and snakes lay eggs and other animals give directly birth to their young ones. And plants also reproduce of their own kind with the help of seeds, stems, roots and leaves. So all the points are completed. Children, our last point is animals and plants depend on each other. How animals and plants depend on each other? Because of breathing system. Animals breathe out the carbon dioxide and all the plants are breathe in carbon dioxide. Animals and human beings breathe out the carbon dioxide and breathe in oxygen, and plants doing just opposite of this. We already learned plants get in or breathe in CO2. I already shown on the board. CO2 is the short form of carbon dioxide. They are breathing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen for us to alive. Now next is food habit. Some animals eat grass, some animals eat grass eating animals. It means they are eating flesh only. Who are eating grass? Cow, deer, giraffe, elephant. Elephant is not eating grass, but they are eating sugarcane. It means only grass. So they are eating grass, and some animals eat these grass eating animals. So they are depending on each other. Some animals eat grass and some animals eat grass eating animals. How can we balance in nature? If there is enough plants, enough plant eating animals and enough flesh eating animals, then only there will be a balance in the nature. So I hope you enjoyed and understand very well this chapter also. First chapter, living and non-living thing, is over, and now today we completed our second chapter, animals and plants. I hope you better understand. Next video we will meet in next lesson. Till then you have to practice it for reading and learn all the question answer. So take out page number 179. Our second chapter, animals and plants. Cats, dogs and tigers are living things. When you call out to a dog, it comes running to you. Mangoes, apples and bananas, when they are growing on plants, are also living things. Yet, however much you may call a ripe mango high up on the tree, it will not come down. Though both animals and plants are living things, they are different from each other in many ways. Animals move about from place to place. Why do birds fly from one place to another? Why does a lion
roam about in a jungle. They move in search of food. On the other hand, most plants are fixed to the ground. They do not have to search for food. They make their own food. Animals eat plants or other animals. Animals cannot make their own food. Animals like cows and buffaloes eat grass, and elephants eat sugarcane.
Now, page number 180. Animals like lions, tigers, and cats eat other animals. However, green plants make their own food with the help of water, air, and sunlight. Only non-green plants like molds and mushrooms get their food from dead and rotting matter. Animals breathe through lungs, gills, and air holes. Animals like horses, tigers, monkeys, and gorillas breathe through their lungs. Fish have gills which help them to breathe in water. Insects like ants, cockroaches, flies, and butterflies have air holes on their bodies which help them to breathe. Plants breathe through tiny pores on their leaves. Animals have sense organs. Animals have sense organs, skin, eyes, nose, ears, and tongue. These organs help them to know about the world around them. Plants do not have sense organs. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to young ones. Some animals like snakes and birds lay eggs. Babies hatch from the eggs. Some animals like cats and cows give birth to their young ones. Now move on page number 181. Most plants produce seeds. These seeds give rise to new plants. In some cases, new plants can grow from a part of a plant like stem, roots, or leaves. Checkpoint. Circle the correct answer. Animals cannot, we have to tick on cannot, make their own food, but plants can. We have to write on can. Make their own food. Green plants do not need wood to make their own food. We have to tick on wood. Next, breathe through their lungs. Our correct answer is wells. Animals and plants depend on each other. Though animals and plants are different from each other, they depend on each other to live. If there are just enough plants eating animals, and just enough flesh eating animals in the world, there is a balance in nature. When there are too few animals of a kind such as the tiger, this balance gets disturbed. When we cut down too many trees,
without planting new ones, then also this balance get disturbed. So, we should protect animals like the tiger. We should also grow more trees.